Now, what we'll do is we will be talking about profit centers. When we say we talk about profit center, if you remember in the previous sessions, we were talking about something called as a company, countries, and then their line of a business or product, right? Anybody remember it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Now, if I scroll up to that, whatever we listed, something like here. If you took footwear, then we were understanding Reebok, Nike, Bata, and so on. Cars we took like this, AC we took like this, bus we took like this, toothpaste we took like this. This is based on product and then we listed company name, right? Clear this mapping?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then if you take a company, for example, if I take Reebok, does Reebok produce or sell only footwear or any other thing also there?
Clothing.
Yes, sir. Sports bags.
Right? You have clothing, you have sportswear or something. You also get accessories from Reebok, right or wrong?
Yes.
In a similar way, if you take cars and if I take, let's say, Tata, do you get from Tata in the sense Tata Motors? Only car you get or any other thing also you get from Tata?
Will get other products
Buses.
also.
You also get accessories from Tata or not?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right? You get accessories, in short, the spare parts. Do you also get servicing provided by Tata?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? You get cars, you get spare parts, you also get servicing. Any other thing? Meaning, if you're able to list out minimum two, it is enough. You don't need to write everything, not required. Because in a project, wherever you work, all these things are given to us by the client. Who will give?
Client.
Client will give all these things. We don't have to even think or break our head. Not nothing is required. Client will clearly tell you this is our company, this is our business, this is our line of a business, or this is our product. Client will make you understand. But when somebody is telling, you should know why they are telling, right? And what they're telling. You got my
Yes.
point? For that, we need to put a little exercise which will make you feel comfortable, connected to the dot, which allows you to work, understand in a right direction when you're in a project. Now, what we need to do, we'll have to write something called as profit center. Now, this profit center, you cannot straight away write. Before you write a profit center, you should know what? Company name, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Before you write a profit center, you should write a company name. Here, you're referring to profit center like a product group or line of business or basically a plant. Most likely, these three are what will be categorized or considered to define a profit center in any project. Point number one is what?
Company.
First point for a profit center. That is not company. Product group, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You will be considering a product group as a profit center or line of a business or plant. Clear these 3 points?
Yes.
Product group means product which is part of the group, sir.
Product group meaning, let's say you have car. We were talking about Tata. Tata has got so many cars, right? So many varieties.
Yes, sir.
All this I will be representing as car only, right?
Okay.
Or I can say hatchback cars, sedan cars, SUV car, electric car, petrol car, diesel car. I can categorize the way I want it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Whatever the way your client wants to categorize it, accordingly they will categorize based on the product group. They will tell you this is how we want the reporting and all. Meaning,
Okay.
whatever the way that they tell, we need to be in a position to understand. Okay, otherwise,
Plant.
okay, they gave me, I took it. Plant wise, there will be a separate profit center. This is mandatory everywhere. That is fixed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear.
Yes.
All right. Line of a business and product group is one and the same. For example, if you look at, or to make you simply understand, if you go to a medical shop, anybody visited a medical shop for buying any medicine,
Yes.
right? When you go to a medical store to buy a medicine, you will be getting a tablet, you will be getting syrup and all. But along with that, in a medical shop, do you also get bread packet?
Yes, sir.
Do you also get biscuit packet?
Yes, sir. Protein.
Right? Do you also get soap, shampoo,
Yes, sir.
fairness creams? Are they medicines?
No.
No.
But still, in any medical shop or majoritarily in every medical store, you get these product also, right? Non-medical product.
Yes.
That's their line of business, right? Medical product is a line of business. General product is a line of business. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
All right.
Meaning, slowly you have to start observing the points. Then you'll easily get to know what is what. Overnight, these things will not happen. Don't expect that. It takes a little time because we are trying to understand, we are trying to get to know these points from the beginning onward. And as you start practicing, as you start moving, you will be getting more clarity on every point. But at least you need to make sure you are getting to know things and then you're feeling comfortable on these points. Understood?
Understood.
Plant is a straight away. Plant is nothing but the place where you manufacture a product or place where you place a product. Okay. Now, when you're talking about a company, you may be having company who manufacture a product. You may have a company who does not manufacture a product. Possible or not?
Possible, sir.
Right? So if you are manufacturing a product, place where you are manufacturing a product is basically a plant. Correct?
Correct.
If you are not manufacturing a product, place where you keep the product is a plant. For example, you are a company operating in one country. How many countries?
In country.
One country. Maybe you are operating only in India. If you are operating in India, where and all you can open your branches or your outlets? Maybe, let's say, India is where you're operating. In India, first one, let's say that you're operating in Bangalore. Possible?
Yes.
When you're operating something in Bangalore, what will happen? In Bangalore, you will have only store, only outlet, or you may be having multiple.
Multiple stores.
You may be having multiple. When I say multiple, now you may be having some South Bangalore, East Bangalore, West Bangalore, North Bangalore, correct or not?
Correct.
Right? Because if you segregate, you get some areas in south side, west side, east side, north side within Bangalore, right or wrong?
Right.
Similarly, if you operate in Delhi, same thing here also. You may be opening multiple. Depending on the number of outlets that you are opening, you will be deciding where and all you're operating, right?
Right.
Initially, what you will do, you will keep only one plant. And wherever you want to keep the stock, you will take from your main plant and then you will supply to all this, right?
Right.
If you notice, especially any outlet or any franchise where they have multiple branches, not everywhere they manufacture it, right? They will be only getting the supply from the main unit, correct or not?
Correct.
Meaning they will manufacture it at one place, they will keep it at another place, and from there they will supply it to all their units. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, wherever you are manufacturing is basically what you call it as a plant. And once you manufacture, you will be keeping it at different locations for storage purpose. That is what you call it as storage location, right? That's what you'll be representing as a storage location. Otherwise, you will have to unnecessarily spend a lot of money for transportation or not, right? You may be operating in Bangalore. You have a store in maybe north side, which may be coming maybe 400 kilometers. Possible or not?
Possible.
Now, traveling from your store to the plant, one way and the other way, it may be 800 kilometer. And you may have a customer to sell the product. And will you tell the customer, okay, currently stock is there, but not with us. It is in the head office or it is in the plant. We will get it arranged today. You can take delivery tomorrow. Most of the times you would have heard this, especially in medical stores. It's there in some other location. If you place the order, I'll arrange it by tomorrow or by evening. Anybody noticed? Anybody heard?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes,
will
sir.
not tell no stock. They will tell it is there, but if you place the order, I'll get it arranged by evening. You can come and collect in the evening. Meaning what? It is there, but not with them, right? It is there in some other location that they have to get it transported here. Meaning slowly when we start observing these points, understanding these points, directly it will be very helpful, easy for you to connect, understand what is a business process in any organization when it comes to SAP. Same things as it is you will be hearing from your client, from your project when you start working. But if you start understanding how things work in a real environment, simple our day-to-day life, as it is, it will be applicable in any project also. It all depends on how you are understanding, how you are connecting, how comfortable you are with the basic fundamentals that you come across on a day-to-day life. If you are able to understand these points, you feel familiar, right? Even though you're not getting in detail into the logic, but at least you feel comfortable or not. That's more important. Once this comfort is there, when you start working in a project, when you start practicing things in a detailed way, you feel the difference like you're working in a project. Now you're no longer discussing about any basics, you're no longer configuring any basics, right? You're getting into business process, you're thinking something different or not,
Thinking different.
right? Now, if you look at this one, is this point clear? This one line alone.
Clear, sir.
Everybody comfortable, right? After this, if I have to tell you something, let's say, majoritarily, whenever you want to buy something, in short, purchase. Anybody purchased anything so far or nothing is purchased,
Purchased.
right? Most of you purchased. Now here there are two types of purchases, two categories. Point number one, you will go purchase from a shop which is not a registered shop. or who will not give you the bill, right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Okay, so somebody will give without bill and somebody will give what? With the bill,
Bill.
right? With the bill, manual, and then with bill what? System.
Yes, sir.
Are these three everybody experienced or not?
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody is clear, experienced, right? If you go buy something from somebody, they will directly sell you the product, but they will not give you any bill. Sometimes you're also okay with it, right? You don't need bill also. Clear or not clear?
Yes. Clear, sir.
Sometimes again you will go buy, but they will give bill, but they will write manually and then they'll give you the bill from a bill book. Again, you're okay. For your personal purchase is what I'm telling. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay. And sometimes when you go to a shop, somebody will give you bill, but this is a system generated bill, computerized bill, printed bill. This is also okay. Meaning, from your point of view, you're okay even if you don't get a bill. You're okay even if you get a bill manually written. You're okay even if you get a bill system generated, because the moment we come out, we will fold it and then throw it, right or wrong? Most likely,
Right, sir.
right? The only one bill that you will keep with you is when you're not sure about the product, you may have to return the product. Only in that case, you will keep the bill safe, right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Or you're buying something which is coming with 1 year warranty. To claim the warranty, you will keep the bill safe. Meaning, if there is a reason, if there is a useful thing in future, only then you will keep the bill with you. Otherwise, you will throw the bill. Am I correct or not?
Correct.
Correct.
Right? Otherwise, you're least bothered about the bill. You'll simply throw it. Take it from the left side, throw it from the right side. Simple. One hand will collect the bill, another hand will fold it and then throw it. The moment you find the bill, you take the bill, immediately you will see where is the dustbin, right? Or sometimes we nicely tell bill not required. Correct or not?
Correct.
Correct.
Especially one more point where you swipe your card. What you do? Whenever you
We'll ask
swipe your
bill.
card, maybe a debit card, maybe a credit card, you will get a copy, right? Proof of payment that so and so
Yes.
amount is debited or deducted. We again proudly tell no copy not required,
Yes.
meaning we're least bothered, right? We only
Yes.
look at if the paper came up like a snake or not. Paper came up means we'll
Yes.
tell okay, no problem, copy not required. Who knows whether they swiped 100 or 1000? We don't even care to look at it, right? Because we are so sure my account balance is only 150 rupee, he cannot swipe more than 100 rupee, right or wrong? So we will have
Right.
different thought process, right? Because once your purpose is fulfilled, after that there is no need for it in our day-to-day personal life, correct or not? Majority.
Correct.
Correct.
Once purpose is fulfilled, you don't need it. You are least bothered about whether you have bill, you don't have bill. You don't even think about it. You will keep moving because it is your personal, where you are not doing any accounting. Understood?
Understood.
Yes.
But if the same transaction, when you take from a business point of view, from personal point of view, all these three will be okay. If I
Yes.
say personal,
Yes. For personalities.
this is okay, this is also okay, this is also okay. But if it is for a business without bill, okay,
Not okay, sir.
No.
No.
manual bill, okay,
Not okay, sir.
No.
not okay. Only this is okay. Is this clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Meaning slowly you need to start looking at the things in a different way with simple fundamental points. That will make you have a different level of clarity. Next time when you come across these situations, you will start observing it, right? Because
Yes.
every day you may be purchasing so many things, looking at different transactions. You will now start paying the attention. Your mind will automatically tell, look at what is this, why are you throwing it, and you will start observing. Somebody will nicely fold the bill, keep it in their pocket. Somebody will not even fold, somebody will simply put it in an envelope as it is, right or wrong?
Yes.
Because from a business point of view, it is a business document, or it is a proof of a transaction. Understood?
Yes. Sir.
Right? Now, if we're talking especially about the purchases, whenever you look at any purchases, when you buy something, what you will get? Bill, right?
Yes. Yes.
Can you call this bill as invoice?
Yes.
If I say bill or if I say invoice, is it the same or it is different?
Same.
Right? In our general day-to-day life, you will be representing this as a bill, but from a business point of view, this bill is called as invoice, right?
Yes.
Right? Our day-to-day life, we call it as a bill, but in a business process, it is called as what?
Invoice.
Invoice. Now, majoritarily, whatever you purchase in any invoice, where you are purchasing something, do you get name of product or service, right or wrong?
Yes.
You get name of product or service. Do you also get something along with name of product and service?
A quantity, price, and the tax as well. How much it's paid.
Yeah, that is tax basically, right? If I say name of the product or service, let's assume 1,000 rupees. Tax may be, if it is a 10% tax,
100 rupees.
Yes. Sir.
100 rupee, and my total bill value
Okay.
1100. Is this clear or not clear?
Clear.
Clear for everyone, right? Meaning from now, I want you to observe the points. Don't just look at it, keep observing and then understanding the different points. This is one way of a bill. When I say this is one way of a bill, when you look at it, it will be 1,000. But when you go to checkout, it will be 1100. Right? It is increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
Increasing. But in some situation, it will be the same even during the checkout, correct or not?
Correct.
Meaning, somebody will display the product price with a tax, somebody will display the product price without a tax. That's where at the bottom you will put taxes applicable, small star they'll put.
Yes.
Correct or not correct?
Correct.
Right? If you look at now, or if you go to any restaurant, in the restaurant they may be placing or they may be keeping the different items, maybe your starters, dessert, main course, soup, whatever. They may be keeping the one item, maybe soup, 100 rupees the cost. Okay, you place the order for 100 rupee soup. You will be getting the soup served on your table. You have the only soup. According to the menu, it is 100 rupee, right?
Yes.
Right? As per the menu, it is 100 rupee. When you ask for bill, they will give you the bill for 100 rupee or maybe more than 100.
More than 100.
Let's assume that if on food it is 18% tax, then it will be
118 rupees.
right. Just an example. If it is 18% tax, you will be getting 118 rupees bill. Correct or not? Anybody observed, noticed or not?
So,
Yes.
Right? Or you go to Swiggy, Zomato, all this kind of thing. There also you will see. You will see the one item is only 100 rupee. Add to cart, go to checkout, it will become 118. Tax will be added. I'm talking only about tax, not related to delivery, not related to packing charges and all. I'm talking only about tax especially. Did you observe it or not?
Yes.
You observed it, right?
yes.
Yes.
But sometimes what will happen, somebody will tell 100 rupee, but when they give you the bill, they will again give 100 rupee. Is this also possible? Anybody experienced both?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Stars.
Right? Now, next time when you buy something, observe it. Next time when you experience something, please observe it. Look at the bill, don't throw directly. Please have a look at for at least few minutes or few seconds. Pay attention on how the bill is represented, how they are producing the bill, what information is listed on the bill. In short, if you look at any invoice, on the invoice, what details are available? You look at the details that you see on an invoice. What will be there? Point number one, it will contain name of the seller, right? The company name, shop name, where you're buying, right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It will have that company name or that shop name from where you are purchasing, including their address, contact number, their tax number, tax registration. And then they have to input your name, right? Because
Yes,
you are
sir.
the customer. But most of the times, if you notice, in some shops, before they generate the bill, they want your name and your contact number. But in some shops, they don't want your name and number. They'll simply give you the bill, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody noticed or not? Sometimes before they give you the bill, they want you to tell what is your name, what is your contact number. Sometimes they don't ask your name, they don't ask your number, nothing. They'll directly give you the bill. Both are system generated bills. Anybody experienced these two?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yes.
Because if you will go gold shop, they will collect all your details and give bill in our name. Suppose if you will go DMart or some super bazaar, so they will not request your name.
Right. Meaning, when these things are happening, again, we need to think, right? Why somebody is asking, why somebody is not asking. If somebody is giving you the bill on your name, it's a proof that you are the buyer, right? You purchased it
Yes,
because
sir.
bill is written on your name. What if bill doesn't have your name? How can you prove it is yours? You made this purchase. They'll ask, where is your name on it? What is to prove that it is your? How should I believe you? I think that you maybe went to a supermarket, somebody throwed the bill, and then you collected the bill from the road. Possible or not? Because it doesn't contain your name on it, right? You got my point.
Right.
Meaning, for a business, you need proof or not,
Yes, we need proof.
right? Point number one, documentation is required. Point number two, valid documentation which will act like a proof is required. That meaning not any document, right? Clear or not?
Clear.
When I say we need a document, that doesn't mean any document will be okay. Not any document is okay. You need a valid document which will act like a proof. Understood? And now, is it the trend of physical bill or is it the trend of digital bill?
Digital
Digital.
bill. Digital bill.
It's all about digital bill, no longer physical bill, right? They will simply tell you,
Yeah.
okay, you will get the bill on your email ID. You will get a bill. You will get a link to download the bill on your message or on your WhatsApp. You can click on it and then download it, right or wrong?
Right. Right.
Meaning it's all advanced, right? It's all digital now. No more physical where you need to take printout and all, not required. Directly based on your contact details, maybe your email ID, mobile number, they will directly send you the email bill copy, plus they will give you a link to click on it to download the bill, right?
Right.
Meaning slowly you have to look at it. Tomorrow when you start working in a project, this is how you will get to know so many points. At that moment you should not realize, okay, I'm new to it. There you should feel I'm familiar to it, right?
Correct.
Which will give you more confidence, more clarity to talk. Now all are same
Right.
thing, like what you're experiencing currently. Most of the things are similar, but we need to pick up the logic from there. Your understanding, observation is very, very important. Once your understanding is proper, your observation is clear, it's all good to go. Meaning you will not find any difficulty, any problem when you start working in a project. Even when you talk to an interviewer, you will be talking with different confidence or not, right? You will no longer talk only the technical part of configuration, meaning the definition. You will try to explain with a scenario or not. You'll try to convince in a different way or not. That's more important. If that is there, everything is good. If that is not there, everything will not be good. In short, your target is to look at bills. What do you have to look at? Look at some bills. When you're looking at some bill, what you need to do is observe how the bill is looking like. If you look at some company, bill is A4 size sheet, right? Big paper.
Yes.
Some place, if you try, bill is very small one,
Yes.
a slip.
Yes.
Some place bill is like, half A4 size paper.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, everything is what? Bill only, right? At the end, everything is bill only, but the way they're representing, is something different. If you go to travel somewhere, maybe you boarded a bus, you took a bus ticket. Can you call this bus ticket as a bill or not? Invoice or not?
Yes, yes,
Can I call the bus ticket as a invoice, bill or not from a business point of view?
we can call.
Right? You can call it as a invoice. Bus ticket is with small size, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Very small. Meaning everything is a bill, because bill is something which contains monetary information or not. Money is written on it or not on the bill. 100 rupee, 10 rupee, 50 rupee, 1000, 2000. Correct or not correct?
Correct.
On the bill, you will see the amount. If amount is not there, you don't call it as a bill. Correct?
Yes.
If you find the amount, you call it as a bill. If you don't find the amount, we don't call it as a bill. Meaning simple terminology, but the way you look at it, the way you understand it should be something different. Don't look at like you are looking at currently. You have to look at with a difference now. And literally you have to feel that difference from your side. You don't need to tell to anyone that, okay, now I'm able to feel the difference. But if you are able to realize the difference, that is good. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
Understood? Okay. Now, these are the basic fundamental points that you'll have to do. Once these points are clear, now assuming we're doing business, we decided we will do business. When we say we will do a business, we are inspired by some kind of a shops, because whenever somebody wants to do business, it's all based on some inspiration, right? Very rare you will do innovative business. Otherwise, you will do a business which is already existing. Correct or not correct?
Correct.
Let's say you maybe during year end you wanted to buy something for festival. You wanted to buy clothing and all. You decided, okay, maybe here we are celebrating a lot of a festival. For every festival, people are purchasing clothes like anything. Every festival, all clothing stores are fully out of stock board, or everywhere it is full crowded. Why don't I also do this clothing business? Possible or not?
Possible.
Right? You have seen it. And then you thought, okay, let me also invest and then do a business. Let me try. Now you decided, okay, let me do a clothing business. You can take any example. What you will do, you will invest some money. You will buy some clothes, right? According to you, it's a clothing business. Correct or not?
Correct. Yes.
According to you, it's a clothing business. And when you start the clothing business, you may be selling something like menswear, women wear, and then kids wear. Correct or not? Is this how you will put? And then you might put something like accessories. Correct or not correct?
Correct.
Right? Now, this is what you do. You will be selling maybe for a 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, and you're looking at that, okay, I'm making good profits. Very good. I'm making profits very good. But and then I'm also keeping stock. Men wear I have stock. Women wear I have a stock. Kids wear I have a stock. Accessories I have a stock. Correct or not? Clear these 4 points?
Yes.
Okay. I have stock of these 4 category of products, but I see initially it's okay. I'm keeping the stock, but maybe 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, I want to analyze, right? What kind of a customers I'm getting more, what products I'm selling more. Do you need or you don't need it?
We need.
Right? Let's say men wear is doing good, women were doing very good, kids were not doing good, accessories average. This will give you some kind of the decision making result or not.
Yes.
Yes.
So next time what will you do? You will put more investment on women wear, right?
Yeah.
Women were doing very good, meaning you're getting more customers. So what you'd like to do, since I'm getting more customer, I would like to bring more stock, more varieties. I'd like to put different other offers, so that this will be very good. Now more good, right or wrong? Since this is in a nice moving position, I want to improve it more. Is that what you will think about or not? Because here product is moving. Only when product is moving, you will get profit. Am I right?
Yes.
If you keep the stock with you, you will get profit. Or if you sell it, you will get profit. When you will get profit?
If we sell,
Right? Only when you sell, you will see the profit. So here for you to increase the profit, you have to focus on what? First thing, women wear.
yes.
Here sales are very good. You need to focus more. If you put more stock, you put more collections and all, you will see even more sales are coming from women wear. Men wear is also good. It is good, but why not very good? Now I have to look at it. Why I'm getting not very good business here. You have to analyze it. Okay, what kind of customers are we getting? What kind of varieties are they looking for? Is any customer going back because they did not like the design pattern, or we don't have the stock that they are looking for? Possible or not?
Possible.
Right? Then what I will do, I will also try to invest a little more in this. Try to keep different varieties. Agree? Right?
Yes.
Now, if I go to kids wear, this is not good. When I'm saying kids wear is not good, so will I invest more on it?
No.
I don't invest more on it. So whatever amount I'm planning to invest in kids wear, I will divert that amount to here and here, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong? Then I will see whatever stock is there, I'll try to manage with this stock only. That too, again, depending on whether I'm getting a customers or not. If I'm getting, am I getting a daily customers for kids wear, or am I getting maybe weekly 2 3 customers will come for kids wear? And that too, when there is a birthday occasion, people will come to buy, a dress as a gift to present to somebody. That is how you buy it, right? Correct or not? Am I right? And for accessories, okay, this is doing average. Okay, let it run. If possible, I'll increase a little more in the accessories. I'll try to put a little more varieties. But I've now decided, okay, kids wear, I'm not going to put more focus. I'm going to put more focus on men wear, women wear, accessories, where I want to improve further. Meaning, going forward, you know where to improve your business, right? Where to invest more. Agree?
Agree.
This is because you are seeing where you are getting profits, which business is giving you good profit. Correct or not? Right or wrong?
Right.
For this to happen, profit center plays a key role. Which one will play key role?
Profit center.
Profit center. So in our example, what we can do, you can create menwear as a profit center, women wear as a profit center, kids wear as a profit center, accessory as a profit center. Understood?
Yes.
Right? Here what you will do, everything you will create as a profit center, and at profit center level, easily you can see the financial statement, like your trial balance, your P&L, your balance sheet can be seen, can be generated at profit center level. Am I clear for everyone? At least at a basic level, did you understand or not? With the same example what we discussed,
Understand.
right? You have to slowly applying your mind. As I told, immediately it won't be understood, so you don't need to worry that you are getting confused, you're not getting the clarity on it. That is how it is. If you're understanding straight away, either something is wrong with me or something is wrong with you. If you're getting a confusion, that is where you're on the track. Because first time, for everyone, this will be a little confusing, this will be a little tricky. And as you start practicing it, you will start getting a clarity on every point. Only on the profit center, are you clear or any confusion now?
Ajay,
Yes,
can
clear.
profit center for men's wear, women's wear, everything separately?
Separate only. I listed only one. All are separate only. You can put profit center 1, 2, 3, and then 4.
Ajay, you mean to
In the
say
nut,
that,
so in
sorry,
the nutshell, like if I have a business and if I divide my products in two groups, so each group is my profit center, right? And then I can generate the reports just to find out which group is doing well. That's it.
Correct. Now, since you are the owner of the business, you are having more clarity how you're investing your money and how you are expecting the return, right? Accordingly, you will segregate. This is my separate business. This is my separate business, right or wrong?
Yeah, got it.
Later on,
Yeah.
you can withdraw anything, right? Now, from here, maybe going forward, I'll not put any kids wear. I'll say that we are selling only men, women wear, and then accessories. Kids wear not available with us. Possible? Because we tried, it's not working out, we removed it. Understood or not?
And sometimes it's also depend on business, right? Like they want to make a brand as a profit center, like in under a menswear.
Anything. It can be anyways.
Yeah,
All
it's
what
depend
we've
on business,
discussed,
we can say.
it depends on the business. How they want to analyze their profit, they can go accordingly. Because everything they're selling under one name only, right?
Yes.
Everything under one name only, under one brand only. But for a customer point of view, it's all same brand. But from a business point of view, though it is the same brand, but these are all different line of a business, different product grouping, classification, correct or not?
Ajay, Ravi here. So normally while doing the business, we will do the expenses, right? So even while recording the journal entry also, we'll update the GL account amount and cost centers. So this cost center, how it will link up with the profit centers? I mean, here in
Inside
this,
that, you have to input it. Meaning, for every business, based on their reporting requirement, we have to decide what is cost center, what is profit center. In short, according to that, you have to decide, okay, if I'm doing business here, now it again depends on what is my size of business, right? If I'm operating only in one branch at this moment, I have only one outlet.
yes,
I may not require any breakup. I mean, I will say that it's all one only. But what if after 3 months I have opened one more branch? Possible or not?
yeah, possible.
This time I wanted to know data with breakup, right? This is from store one or store two, right or wrong?
Yeah, yes,
Then I will end up expanding 25 stores in one city. Maybe I'm doing business in Hyderabad. I have 25 outlets, but I am the owner of 25 outlets, right? I need to know overall what is my profit, what is my sale. Here, what I
yeah,
will do,
yes,
I need to look at a different profit center, different cost center. This purely depends on my reporting requirement, how I want it. You got my point?
yeah,
Sorry. And these points is what we will be discussing as we move forward. For that only, we are trying to understand these basic fundamental with which you feel connected, comfortable for our further discussions. Otherwise, all of a sudden, it will not get into our mind, right? We get a lot of confusion
yes,
because we do have somebody who is completely new to SAP. We do have somebody who is already familiar with SAP, but we need to move together, right?
yeah,
Tomorrow, if
yes,
somebody is getting a doubt, I wanted to make sure within the group you're able to solve or discuss your doubt.
yeah. And
Similarly,
one and one more thing, Ajay. So you mean to say that for each line of business should have a separate profit center?
yeah, correct. Clear? Understood for everyone? What is
And
this?
just one more question. This is part of the requirement because this is something client has to give because we cannot figure out
Correct,
what
correct. No,
exactly.
no.
Yeah.
Client will give this.
Okay. Thank you.
Anything that we do in SAP FICO is purely based on the client requirement, business requirement. And before we work in a project, we need to know how the requirements usually come, right? Otherwise, even though client is giving the requirement, in the project, you will be struggling because you do not know how the requirement will come, or you do not know how to understand the requirement, or you are not clear how to move forward. You got my point? So slowly we need to ensure, okay, this is how requirements are coming. If requirement is like this, we have to work in this way. If requirement is the other way around, we need to work in a other way around. Meaning the approach, whatever you take, depending on the situation, depending on the scenario, should also be different. Not same thought process every time. Depending on the scenario, depending on the situation, we have to think in a different way. Clear?
Yeah.
Ajay, what is the difference between business area and profits?
Business area, we don't use it now. So you can straight away ignore business area. Okay, these differences I will make you understand once we are inside SAP.
Okay, thank you.
And this the cost center also, like, is it different from profit center, or we still need to?
Different. Cost center will track only the cost. Profit center will track cost and revenue both. For you to know profit, you need both cost and expense and income, or you need only expense?
Both.
Both. So both will come from profit center. Cost center will only bring a cost. As name itself is cost center. This is used only for cost, meaning expenses.
Okay.
Yeah. Clear so far? Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Right? Meaning all you need to say is you're improving day by day. You're having a little comfort, confidence on the subject content what we're discussing. That comfort is there, right, for everyone? Yes, no? You're feeling
Yes.
comfortable or not with what
Yes.
we're discussing?
Yes,
Not
sir.
getting
Yes.
confused, right? So that's more important. So that is the reason we are going at a slower pace to ensure you feel comfortable. Only once you are comfortable, we can move fast. If you're not comfortable, we cannot move fast. Right? Because as I told, going forward, the sessions, whatever we are going to have, is completely based on your assignments only. I'll only show you the basics, configuration, baseline outlines and all. Then the requirements, the actual things, what we do in a project, I will make you practice based on requirements that I give you like a client. I'll explain the requirement. I'll show you what is the basic config, how to do it. Then according to that, you will be starting to work on these configurations so that when you go to any project, when you talk to any interviewer, you can talk with more confidence, because that is what you did it in your practice, right? What you practice, what you talk to your interviewer, or what you do in a project will be the same or will be the similar, wherein there's no point you get a feel that I learned, I don't know how it will be in a real time, real environment. Nothing like that. Whatever you do is real time. There's nothing called a real environment. What you do is real time. That's what I told. When you're starting to practice, you should log in to the SAP like what? Like a trainee or like a consultant?
Like a
Consultant.
consultant.
Like a consultant. At that moment, I will become your client. So I will be shifting my position from trainer to client at that moment. So I'll be explaining you my requirement. I'll be giving my requirement where I want you to fulfill it. Maybe theoretical points, maybe different points I will make you work on it. And you have different sources to find out, maybe ChatGPT, Google and all. We'll see how you are able to move forward. This is what you have to be good at. Tomorrow, when you start working on a project, whatever you train here, whatever you work in a project, are they same or are they different?
Same.
They're different, not same. Concept will remain the same. It is as simple as like you're learning a car driving. When you're learning a car driving, you go to a driving school, right? Right, and then you will go to RTA or to give the driving exam. Is that the same after getting the license? You where you go to travel? Is this the same or it is different? During your car learning, you may be picking some spots, right? Okay, I will learn in this area or in that area. Maybe morning hours I will do because roads are free. Night I will do because roads are free. Weekend I will do because roads are free. This is how we will do it. But once you learn the driving, once you got the license, is this the same thing that you will do, or you'll directly enter the road? What will you do? Same thing?
Directly enter the
Directly enter the road.
You'll directly enter the road. At that situation, scenarios are same or scenarios different? Now you're at a practical scenario, right? You will experience everything on the spot, right? And you have to take decision on the spot. If you think at that moment, should I apply brake or accelerator? Something else will happen, right? You got my point? Meaning there your mind has to work parallelly, or you have to think and then apply your mind. Or it has to work parallelly while driving.
Parallelly.
It has to work parallelly. If you're thinking and then acting, then some other thing will happen. You never know what will happen because you're not acting according to the situation. It will be exactly the same here. What you practice, what you learn is only to give you clarity, to give you confidence, so that when you come across a practical scenario situation, you should know what to do. At that situation, nobody will be with you, right? You may be with client, with user. Do you get time to Google in front of the client? Do you even dare to do it?
no,
Yes. Straight away rule out. You may be having very nice detailed notes that you have prepared. Can you open the note and then check in front of the client? Yes, no? Or in front of your colleague, lead, manager, can you open the document and then see? Yes, no?
no,
Meaning sudden things are ruled out. Can you call your friend? Okay, I am getting this error. Do you know what to do? Can you call and then ask in front of your client, user, or your manager, colleague? Yes, no?
no.
Obviously, no. Meaning you have to look at these kind of scenarios, situations, and then act, prepare accordingly. If this is the situation, the only thing that can help you is your knowledge, right? Your working style, your thought process. If this is correct, you don't get any problem. Even if there is a problem, you know how to handle it. If this is not there, for sure something will go wrong or not. All depends on what is your working style, how you are thinking, how you are taking decision. Because when you're in a project, you will come across the situations or scenarios which are completely new, and you cannot expect that I have not practiced it, so I'm not sure about it. It is not like that. That is why this is called as consulting, right? Consulting meaning it is like that only. Wherever you take consulting meaning, you get a different client. According to the client, you get different requirement. Am I correct or not? And all you need to be good at is basic fundamentals, basic concept. Scenario is where you have to be good at. If yes, requirement will be given to you by the client. If there is any problem is also identified by the client. If required, they will also propose you the solution. I think we could try this, try that. User also will tell you, client also will tell you, but all depends on how you are interacting with the user, client, and how you are proving your skill and how you are working. Am I right or wrong? Everything is depending on you only. If your working style is correct, if your understanding is correct, your convincing skills are proper, you will not face any problem no matter what. If these are not correct, that is where you will get a problem. You will get problem in such a way wherein you do not even know what to do. You will be stuck. That is the problem many will face when they are working in a project. Because the effort what they put should be effective right from the beginning. It's all about your mental ability. It's all about how you are understanding, how you are connecting, how you are communicating with the client. You can take simple, different example. Assuming you are a doctor. When I say you're a doctor, You will be having different doctor specialization, right? Right or wrong? For chest, heart, lungs, you have different variety of doctors or not? Now, when you look at a doctor, for doctor, whatever they get is a patient. Is every patient with the same problem or different problem?
Different problem.
Different.
Different problem. Some are regular problems, some are emergencies, some are critical also, right? But you should be in a position to handle everything or not. Now only regular fever, cold cough I will treat. Other than cold cough fever, I don't know, please go to some other doctor. Will you tell it? Or you have to treat everything? If it is under your specialization, are you supposed to treat, or you will recommend some other doctor? What will you do?
How to treat.
You have to treat. If you don't know what to do, you will simply prescribe few tests, right? Okay, you go get this scanning done, get this test done, get your blood test done and all. So that based on that report, you can investigate, right? You can analyze further, right or wrong? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Meaning you should have some kind of, the working style in which a scenario, in which a situation, how you need to act. If you blindly go with the config, if you blindly go with Google, YouTube, ChatGPT and all, you will become blind only. You have to look at it, you have to understand. Only then take a decision, only then think what to do next. Blindly don't take any decision. That will never give you a solution. In fact, it will put you in more trouble. It will put you in more trouble. Don't get into these kind of situations. Act smart from the beginning, because you are now in a working environment where everybody is expecting people to work right from day one, right or wrong? Those days are gone where you used to get a job. Okay, for me to get a laptop, it will take 1 week. For me to get access, it will take 2 more weeks. For me to start make it will take some more time. Maybe easily 1 or 2 months. You used to get free time in olden days, right or wrong? But now on your joining date, your laptop is ready, ID card is ready, email ID is ready, everything is ready. Is this correct or not? Those who are working, am I right or wrong? On your joining date, you will
Yes,
get
sir.
everything or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right? So on your joining date, if everything is ready, now people are also expecting you to be ready to work from day one, right?
Yes.
Think according to the
Yes.
current market, as per the current expectation, and then prepare yourself in a similar way, so that you will meet the business expectation, you will meet the company's expectation. Otherwise, they're expecting something from you and then you're not even near that. That is the reason people will majoritarily get rejected in the interviews, or after getting the job, they will be losing the job because they're unable to meet the requirement, because their working style is not meeting with the expectation. See, all of a sudden improving this is not a joke, right? Can you improve all these things overnight? Possible or not possible? Yes, no? Can you transform yourself like this overnight?
No.
No.
It takes time.
No.
Not so easy that thus we are discussing now. It takes time. Meaning the way you look at, the way you apply your mind, the way you practice, everything is very, very important, very crucial. The way you approach, the way you practice, the way you understand is straight away connected to how you are going to manage in the market when you are applying for a job, or how you are going to work when you get a job. There you have to see the result, right? Understood?
Yes.
You have to see the result, not now. It's okay. Even if you're taking 2-3 days more to understand, no problem, nothing wrong in it. Take your own time, take your sufficient time, because end of the day you should feel comfortable, right? So end of the day, when we say you should feel comfortable, if this is requiring you to put a little more effort, please put a little more effort. Don't compare with others. Somebody may be good at it when they refer it 1 or 2 times, but you may be good at only when you refer 3-4 times. Please spend 3-4 times, because nobody will reveal their background, correct or not? Somebody may be already good at it. Somebody is good at absorbing the things. Somebody is good at understanding. Somebody has got good memory power. But due to different reasons, you may be having different others work commitments and all. You're not finding the time, or even if you read, you're simply forgetting the thing. Meaning you're happening to put a little more effort. Please put. So keep it to your personal commitments that you have currently, and look at how long you can spare for preparing a day. Or for somebody, it may not be possible to prepare on a daily basis, right or wrong? Then you may have to plan maybe 2 times a week, or you plan maybe on weekend I will sit and practice. Otherwise, you will accumulate backlogs. If you have more backlog, you will think that I don't know where to start. And that is where you will reach maybe in future, because you have so many things to practice. And now you decided, okay, now I am taking 1 week leave. I will take 10 days leave. Now I will sit and do it. Nothing will happen. The only thing is 10 days leave will be wasted. Nothing else will happen. So plan everything from the beginning in such a way that you will refer the recording properly. Even if you are not able to listen to attend the session, make sure you complete the recording on the same day. At least 2 times you have to refer the recording and try to understand it. Because as we move forward, it's all about based on what we're discussing is more important than what you're doing on the system. Because I will make you understand what is to be done in the system and how to do things on the system. I will make you understand in a conceptual manner. So data will directly get into your mind. So you'll get that clarity on the concept, how to do. So doing practice you can do whenever you get a time. But when you sit in front of the system, your mind should tell what to do, correct or not?
Correct.
At that time, I don't want you to open the recording. You will see 1 hour, 15 minutes where he told about it. Keep forwarding, backwarding. Don't do it. In our recordings, you don't get much practical content. You get only the clarity on the subject. Practicals, I will make you work practically. In this session, I'll only make you understand the concept, scenario, requirement, and then in your assignment, I will make you work on the configurations. So configs and all will be done from your end, not from my end. I'll only do the basics, and then I'll make you get the logic concept. Then I will give you the requirement. I'll make you understand how to practice. That is what will make you have proper practical hands-on experience on SAP FICO consulting. That will allow you to get a job. That will allow you to work confidently in a project tomorrow. Otherwise, you will be very happy. You will be very comfortable here. But when you go to the market, you will start facing a lot of problems right from day one. So that situation, I don't want any of you to face. Understood, right?
Yes.
So when I'm with you, for sure you'll understand everything fine. But the moment I say that your batch is over, or now you can attend the interviews, there I want you to realize, yes, my knowledge is helping. My efforts are helping, my preparation, my practice. Now I'm able to handle on my own. That will give you clarity. That confidence is what you have to build. Tomorrow you have to work all alone, right? Correct or not?
Correct.
For you to work all alone tomorrow, you should have that confidence. Yes, I can work on it. Whether it is known to you, unknown to you, it is completely new to you, no problem. You have that confidence. I know how to get it. You Google it, YouTube it, or use ChatGPT, XYZ, whatever. But you have that confidence that, yes, I can work on it. If that confidence is not there, you will be stuck in such a way that you don't even know what to do. You will even forget to drink, you will even forget to eat. You will reach to that level because your mind is not working, because it is overthinking. Don't get into that situation. So practice, put your effort in such a way that you will face any situation without any fear. With confidence, you can handle any kind of requirement, scenario, situation once you're out in the market, maybe in the interview or in a project. That should be your end target. So not that, okay, this topic is completed, that topic is pending. This is not your target. Don't go by the checklist. If we go by the checklist, we can complete within 2 months, right or wrong? Am I correct or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
don't go by the checklist. Instead, go by the concept. Your comfort is more important. Your confidence is more important. Pay attention on it. If it is taking time, please take time. Instead of completing in 4 months, you complete in 6 months. No problem. I'll be there. You complete in 8 months. No problem. I'll be there. But don't go with half knowledge. Go with confidence. If it is taking a time, spend some time. Give that time, because it's something that you're investing for building the career or for changing your career. So it takes time, and then you have to give that time. Be with that clarity from the beginning. Don't be with a mind that, okay, after 4 months, I will make a U-turn, I will become a consultant. May not happen. Correct or not? Practically, if we talk.
Correct.
Right? Don't be with that mindset. Who knows, after completing a job, you may take another 4 months. After completing the course, when you start giving interviews, you may take another 4 months to get the job. This is also possible. Everything depends on your approach and then different other points. Please make sure you keep all these practical points in your mind all the time. Only then you will act according to the market condition, according to the current market requirement. Otherwise, you will be outdated. Right? When I say you will be outdated candidate nobody will take. Your knowledge may be expired or it's about to expire. So make sure your knowledge is fresh and it is updated. Understood for everyone? So accordingly, you have to put your effort and then you'll have to do your practice. Fine, then let me stop this recording now.